Alright, here we go, buddy. Sorry if this video sucks because I'm not used to doing this. So we got 332 lanthanated. I already put the point on it. Trying to get you a close up there. Pretty good grind. Alright. Let me stick her in here. Here's the viewing window. Alright. We're going to put it right up on the edge here. Alright. On our mark. So pretty much exactly 1 3/16. Alright, and then so with my little fat fingers, say if I had to grind a tiny piece, I would say, I'd go, I guess there, give you a little bit to bite on. So that's the second mark. Well, about 1.5 inches. Inch and a half. Alright, so let's look at this torch here. Alright. Now if we measure with that amount of stick out, 1.5 inches puts us about here. Right on that line. So I'm wondering if I cut that, will it even grab it? Because this is, I don't know. What do you think? Maybe I'll cut a piece.